When it comes to using 3D printing in your project, there are a few things to be considered. The aim of this video is to give you an overview of the processes offered in the 3D Printing Art Practice Area and help you decide which will be suitable for bringing your concept to life. There are three main materials you can print with in our APA: plastic, resin, and ceramic. Each one has different qualities and lends itself to different types of work, scale, and aesthetic. Plastic printing is done using the Ultimaker 3D printer. Fused filament fabrication, FFF, is the most commonly used 3D printing technology. Printing in plastic is affordable and is good for small to medium-sized prints or larger work created in multiple parts and then assembled. In the APA, we use a bioplastic called PLA, which is derived from cornstarch. Our stock colours are black, white, silver grey, and translucent, which are all free to use. If your project requires a different colour, we can advise you on where to buy filaments compatible with the Ultimaker. Resin printing is done using the Formlabs Form 2. Resin is more expensive than plastic printing, but has a smoother surface finish and is great for smaller prints with detail. The Form 2 uses a photopolymer resin, available in transparent, white, and grey. Prints done in resin and plastic can both be post-processed in a variety of ways, such as primed and painted, sanded and polished, or be used as a master object for casting into another material such as jesmonite or coloured resins. Ceramic printing is done using the Lutum and is collaboratively run by staff from both the 3D printing and ceramics art practice areas. We generally print using stoneware clay. Although the level of detail possible using ceramic printing is limited, the clay remains malleable for a period of time after printing, and more detail can be added by hand. The piece can then be fired and glazed for a variety of finishes. "3D printers generate designs from a digital 3D file. These files are created in a computer-aided design software, commonly referred to as CAD. There are two main CAD softwares used in the 3D Print APA for creating designs: Fusion 360 and ZBrush. The type of design you want to create will determine which software is best for you to use. ZBrush is an organic sculpting software. It is ideal for fluid shapes, manipulating scan data, and figurative work. Fusion 360 is a design and engineering software. It is perfect for precise shapes, functional pieces that require a high level of accuracy, and designs with moving parts or modular fittings. Contact the staff in the 3D Print APA if you are unsure which software would be best suited for your project. If you already know how to use a CAD software, for example SketchUp, Rhino, or AutoCAD, you are welcome to use those, and we can help you with exporting them in a printable format such as STL or OBJ. Another option for creating a 3D file is to use a 3D scanner. In the 3D Printing Art Practice Area, we have a high-spec structured light scanner called the Artec Eva. It can be used for digitizing existing 3D objects, spaces, and people. The initial stage when using the 3D Printing Art Practice Area is to have a project consultation. This will be conducted online via Microsoft Teams or in person in room WB100. For this consultation, please prepare sketches or visual reference material to explain your concept, approximate dimensions, and a deadline for completion if you have one. We look forward to talking to you for your next project.